Hey everyone, I'm here with an unboxing today, and this is actually a rare model. This is the Sam's Club version of the Sunburner, and this is in white. These go for a good amount of money. These are pretty hard to obtain. I have not seen too many of these. I've seen them in the yellow, but not the white. The white one is, again, it's a Sam's Club recolor that was only sold in the Sam's Club 30 pack. And I do have a couple of these laying around the house here and there. I have, like, I think the Nissan Prairie, and I also have the Dodge Dakota and the Big Top Circus Blue Volvo. I have those. This is the fourth one I think I have, or the fifth one in my collection. So I'm happy to have it. And I do hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Sunburner. And I actually am going to be getting a Leo soon. It's the Grand Slam Inside Story. So I'll be showing you guys that when it comes. All right, guys. Thank you.